You want to change the interface language in Claude AI because the current one is not working for you. Getting this fixed takes seconds, and I will show you exactly where the button is hidden. Stick around until the final minute, because I have a tip on how to stop your browser from overriding these settings and reverting your choices later. Applications like Claude try to be helpful by guessing your preferred language automatically. They look at your location or your web browser settings to decide how to talk to you. Think of this like a hotel front desk that automatically assumes your language based on your passport. It is usually convenient, but sometimes it makes a mistake. You end up with a screen full of text you cannot read, or perhaps you want to practice another language, but the app keeps switching back. First, log into your Claude account as you normally would. Once the workspace loads, look at the bottom left-hand side of the screen. You will see your account profile name or icon there. Click on that button to open your account menu. In the small pop-up window, look for the option labeled Language. Click on that word. A list will appear showing all the different languages currently available for the interface. Simply scroll through the list and find the one you want to use. Take your time browsing the options available in the menu. Once you have found your choice, click on it. As soon as you select your preferred language, you will notice that the screen quickly reloads. The text on your entire page will update to your chosen language instantly. For example, if you select French, your greeting will change immediately to reflect that. You can repeat this process as many times as you like to experiment with different languages. It is a simple and fast process. You do not need to save any settings because the change happens the moment you click. If the menu does not appear, refresh your page once and ensure your browser is fully updated before clicking the icon again. Now for that tip. If you find your language keeps changing every time you refresh your browser, it is likely because your browser is set to translate pages automatically. Go into your browser settings and disable the Translate Web Pages feature, specifically for the domain you are using. This prevents the browser from fighting against your account preferences. That is the complete process for updating your language interface.